I'm doing amazing actually. How are you doing?
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. सो
Oh,
गाइज,
I'm glad to hear.
ये है अनायता श्रॉफ अडजानिया. मतलब मैं आपको बता नहीं सकता हूँ. मैंने अनायता को बोला था, पता जब मैं इनसे बात कर रहा था, अच्छा ऐसा है मैं पहले इंट्रोडक्शन देता हूँ तो आप थोड़ी देर बाद आओगे, क्या आप उसी टाइम आओगे? शी सेड नो नो, आई कम दैट टाइम ओनली.
I'm always early. Always early.
I have that in my introduction for you.
Hmm.
So, guys, without a further ado, let me please introduce Anayata Shroff Adjania to you. Anayata, I'll take 2 minutes of you. Let's see if I'm able to do justice. Because मुझे पता है शब्द मेरे कम पड़ जाएंगे. And जो मेरे को थैंक यू बोलना है वो तो मैं आपको आके बाद में बोलता हूँ. So, guys, Anayata. अनायटा क्या है? अनायटा एक हैं जिन्होंने जब इस इंडस्ट्री में, जिसको बॉलीवुड बोलते हैं, जब यहाँ पे स्टाइलिंग जैसा नाम कोई शब्द शुरू भी नहीं हुआ था ना, अनायटा ने तब स्टाइलिंग लेके आया बॉलीवुड में. अनायटा started with fashion. I mean, Anayata started with Elle magazine. She went ahead and she worked with L'Officiel, and today she's the fashion director of Vogue India.
I'm not.
I know. I
I'm
wanted
a
it to
contributing style editor.
I wanted
Yeah.
to come it from you. I
Yeah.
didn't want to say it.
Yeah.
So, guys, अनायटा का जैसे बोलते हैं ना, एक रिश्ता होता है किसी चीज से, जिसको बोलते हैं कि मतलब एक वो जो हम शुरू से बात करते आ रहे हैं अनफॉलो के अंदर, स्वधर्मा. आई थिंक अनायटा का कहीं से स्वधर्मा था स्टाइलिंग. इसीलिए उन्होंने जब से शुरू किया है तब से देयर हैज बीन नो लुकिंग बैक. वो चाहे बड़े से बड़े ब्रांड्स हो लाइक लॉरियल, डिबियर्स, कोक, उनके एड कैंपेन्स हो, या फिर वो बड़ी बड़ी फिल्में हो जिनके अंदर आप नाम ले सकते हो कॉकटेल, लव आजकल, क्या कहते हैं, ए दिल है मुश्किल, रेस, धूम टू में तो अनायटा की स्टाइलिंग ने धूम मचा दी थी. मतलब एवरीबडी, एंड आई विल गो अहेड एंड इंक्लूड सेइंग दिस, अनायटा, आई really thought, and I'm saying this online, I really thought Ash is beautiful. I for the first time felt Ash is hot. Aishwarya looked hot in Dhoom 2, and I think courtesy you, and obviously the discussions happened there between you both. Guys, अनायटा जो इतनी बड़ी फैशन स्टाइलिस्ट हैं और बहुत कुछ करती हैं, आपको मालूम है ये पॉलिटिकल साइंस ग्रेजुएट है. ये पहले जब इनको मतलब शुरू में एक चाव चढ़ा था, ये पहले हेयर ड्रेसर बनना चाहती थी. फिर उसके लिए जो है इनकी मम्मी ने बोला ऐसा है भैया, हमें तो वो हेयर ड्रेसिंग कोर्स कराने के पैसे नहीं है, खुद कमाओ और खुद जाके कराओ. तो अनायटा ने लंदन से जाके अनायटा वो कोर्स किया आपने हेयर ड्रेसिंग का.
कोर्स हुआ नहीं.
नहीं.
Okay. I researched it, and the plan was to do it, but the reality was like funds nahi hai. Please go earn. And actually, the main concern that my mom had was she was obviously पहले आप graduate बनो. Graduate के बाद you do whatever you want. So
fantastic. Yeah. So वो तो आपने पॉलिटिकल साइंस ग्रेजुएशन किया ही किया उनकी बात रखने के लिए. नाउ अ फ्यू वर्ड्स दैट अनायटा लाइक्स टू यूज टू डिस्क्राइब हरसेल्फ, जो कि इनके बहुत सारे इंटरव्यूज में निकल के आए हैं. सुनिए आप भी सुनिए. मेरी रिसर्च बताइएगा ठीक है कि नहीं है.
Your research is amazing.
Being on time, sticking to your word, very passionate, self-driven, self-made, team believer, hardworking, not a cookie cutter, very observant, and she was one of the pioneers in styling. कुछ रह तो नहीं गया?
नहीं, mother. And as of yesterday, cake baker, toy maker, garland maker, everything. Yeah.
बर्तन धोए कि नहीं धोए, पोछा लगाया कि नहीं लगाया?
Happily. बहुत खुशी से. It's the best exercise ever.
मैंने एक वीडियो बनाया है ऐसे. इससे अच्छा कोई वर्कआउट नहीं है. पोछा लगाओ एंड देन यू सी द वर्कआउट.
एब्सोल्युटली,
इट हैज बीन मैजिकल. अच्छा अनायटा, आई वांटेड टू आस्क यू वन थिंग. रॉबी याद है? रॉबी कौन है?
नहीं.
अभी भी याद नहीं?
I've never met anyone of that name.
मैं तो इतनी पार्टीज में जाती हूँ, पता नहीं कौन है रॉबी.
एक्चुअली मैं तो सिर्फ घर में बैठती हूँ, तो इट्स डेफिनेटली नॉट मी.
गाइस, ये रॉबी जो है, इट वाज अ फिक्शनल कैरेक्टर, इट वाज अ फिक्टिशियस कैरेक्टर इन दिलवाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे. अगर आप लोगों को नहीं याद आया तो इन्होंने बहुत बखूबी वो लाइन बोली थी, रॉबी. आई डोंट नो, मैं तो बहुत पार्टीज में जाती हूँ.
मैं तो इतने पार्टीज में जाती हूँ कि कुछ याद ही नहीं रहता.
डायलॉग याद है, रॉबी नहीं याद है?
बिल्कुल नहीं,
बिल्कुल नहीं. अच्छा Anaita, you wanted to be hairdresser. How come Homeo's cutting Zane's hair then?
That's a good thing. Good thing to know. Well, it's because I don't know how to use a buzzer. I'm good with comb and scissor. And also he kind of bullied me into doing it all himself. It was supposed to be a team effort. I became videographer, he became hair cutter. Yeah. And the thing is, my experience with very short haircuts has not been good. Once even with Dre when he was very young.
Yeah.
जब मैंने कोशिश की, I made such big gaps in his hair that it looked like a chua had eaten his hair. So I think I'm better. I cut my own hair though.
Wow.
Yeah.
So
I mean,
that's a
in
good
lockdown,
job. Yeah.
The best. I just got fed up one day and literally, Karan's come on and he says he remembers the Robbie scene.
Thank you, Karan. Thanks a
Karan
lot
is the culprit. He is the culprit why I was in this scene in the first place. Let me just tell you that.
Really?
Okay.
But
Absolutely.
But thank you, Karan. That line became such a famous thing that I, after having watched the film so long back, I still remember it. मैं तो इतनी parties में जाती हूँ.
Because it was the best time of our life, to be honest with you. The best.
I know.
Yeah.
And that's
we were young, we had no responsibilities, and
I
kids
remember.
on the run.
I know. I remember you're very good. You were very good friends with Karan then as well, and you both used to
Yes.
go and look out for outfits, for styling everybody.
He styled me in that film. Yeah. He was like, this skirt is too long. Shorter. Chota kar do. Chota kar do. Yeah.
I think Karan
So,
has always liked things sexier, so I think the shortest.
Me too.
Me too.
Which is why we're such good friends.
Okay, now Anaita, without a further ado, because I know यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो आपसे बहुत कुछ जानना चाहते हैं. Thank you so much for joining us on this Unfollow series. Unfollow जैसा मैंने आपको बताया था, बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो बाहर की बातें सुनकर बहुत ज्यादा infatuate हो जाते हैं, बहुत ज्यादा इंस्पिरेशन के नाम पे आजकल कॉपी कर रहे हैं. And what happens in the end is, in the bargain, they end up losing themselves, they end up losing their own uniqueness. How did your Unfollow story started? How did you start following your instincts?
To be honest with you, I guess because I didn't study fashion, for me, I feel my education was observation, like you said in your intro, right? I feel like as a child, I was always very observant, whether it was circumstances that made me want to know what was going on or whatever, I don't know. That's how I was. I was always very passionate about magazines. But उस दिनों में magazines थे ही नहीं ना India में. There were only film magazines. But I was fortunate that my mother, I guess she liked the gossip angle. So she got all the magazines and I read them and I knew who everybody was, even though I wasn't a part of any of these. At that time I had nothing to do with film. I guess it's just that I became very self-reliant. I realized that I have to trust my own instinct. And that's something that took me through where I am today as well. I feel I don't have a fashion education, but I have a head and I have a vision. And very often, when I used to work with my team on a story idea, they'd be like, but why don't we do it here? And I'd be like, no. It's not that it's not like you need scale. You just need clarity. And I feel, like you said, I'm a team player. And I think when you work with a great team, वो हो जाता है. When everybody's energy is combined, वो magic starts at that point.
So all those magazines kind of motivated you towards styling. But आपने कहीं कहा है कि आप hairdresser भी बनना चाहते थे.
Correct. So at that time there was no stylist, right? We were not exposed to that being a career. So either you were a designer or you were a hairdresser or a makeup artist. And I kind of had a flair for hair. I don't know. I guess because I hated my own hair growing up, I felt like I could do something and learn and maybe improve my own hair to begin with. And I was just attracted to it. Like, every time I was in London, I would go to Tony and Guy Academy. वहाँ पे एक opportunity था कि students के लिए you could pay £5 and get a free haircut.
Yes.
But what you didn't know is that you were getting the haircut also from a student. So, I came back with some pretty hectic haircuts, but I just loved the energy over there. Everybody they were so coolly dressed, and I thought that's what I would do. But now when you think about it, what I do brings all these disciplines together.
Yeah.
We work with the best hairdressers. We work with the best makeup artists. We work with people like you who organize the best shows. So I feel I never knew what it was then. But I was very lucky because my father used to fly and he used to always bring me the Vogue and the Harper's Bazaar.
Yeah.
Those were my Bibles without me knowing they were called fashion Bibles. I the smell of it got me excited.
And
I never ever thought that one day I would work at Vogue.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not just work at Vogue, almost parallelly run Vogue. No, even your grandfather was into, even your grandfather was a made to measure, yes. So
absolutely. So my
somewhere that must
granddad
have
had a bespoke men's tailoring store.
Yes.
Absolutely. In fact, my grandparents are a huge influence on my style.
Okay.
As in, in very different ways, very different ways. I mean, I can expand on that if you're interested. I don't know.
No, why not? Everybody who's listening to you, they would love to know it.
Okay.
Anaita, आपका connection थोड़ा सा शायद.
Okay. So my granddad ran this bespoke.
Your connection is going, so you're getting stuck
okay,
a little
one second.
bit. हाँ जी.
Okay, I'm checking connection. Nobody else is online now. 1 second, I'm just checking. Yeah, it's
we can
on.
hear
is it
you.
Better now?
It's better. I mean, we can hear you, but the image is going a little blurred, but it's okay. Please carry on. I think it will come back on its own.
Okay. So I'm just going to actually switch my phone network off.
Okay.
That might help.
Okay, please.
1 second.
Thank you.
Go offline. Yeah. Okay. So, so like I said, my granddad had this amazing bespoke men's tailoring store.
Okay.
And all these very smart gentlemen used to come there. And my best friend was the Master G. Because Master G was the dude.
Yeah.
He was the guy who did the chalk drawing, who did the cutting. And it was so magical because his place, which was the biggest table, could never be messed with.
Yeah.
I remember sitting in my grandfather, he had this big leather swinging chair behind his desk thinking, one day I'm going to be a part of this. But unfortunately, he never kept the business going long enough for me to be a part of that. But I think my grandparents were extremely stylish in their own ways.
Wow.
I mean, my dad's parents were very conservative Parsis. But my grandmother, always had her oiled plait and her sari pinned beautifully. Yeah. Or she was wearing, a colorful frock the whole day. I love frocks. I can't get frocks out of my life, So that, and then, my other grandmother was very, very, very fashionable and wore Pucci jumpsuits and link chain belts. So a lot of these things come back into the way I work. Even my parents, for that matter, were very chic, in their own way. They weren't affluent, but they had,
as they say that it's not class. I mean, style doesn't come from money and all that kind of stuff. It's you individually. No. It can be 100 rupee shirt.
Not
it is how you wear it, how you carry it makes it a gazillion bucks. Okay. Yeah. Now, Anaita, जैसा आपने बोला that
I'll tell you a secret at this point.
Please बताइए.
So, talking about money can't buy you style, right? Yeah. So we were talking about Dilwale right now. It's a very interesting story. I don't even know if I've ever said it before.
Oh, please. And exclusive.
It was a premiere, and we were like, oh my god, premiere jana hai, wow. And I was like, I had no money. I mean, barely anything. And I used to shop at Fashion Street, which for people who are not from Bombay, that was like the most popular street where you got export surplus.
Even right? I have. Multiple times.
So I had my favorite. Good. So I had my favorite guy there, stall number 66. He was my dude. And I said that he dressed chahiye and whatever. And he gave me a few dresses and I would go across the road to the Bombay Gym, try them on. Yeah. And I bought this black long dress. Sorry. Chocolate. It was a chocolate brown, self-patterned long dress. And it fit me like beautifully. Yeah. I mean, no expensive dress that I have ever bought since then has made me feel the way that 100 rupee dress made me feel.
Wow.
And I wore it to the premiere. And I had the best time ever.
Wow. And
so, that's what I'm saying. And in the...
Anaita, your connection has gone really bad because now your voice is also breaking. Do you...
unfortunately...
I know. So, should I connect with you again?
Yeah.
Or should we try that?
you can try, sure, but it's just going round and round for some damn reason.
Yeah,
but it keeps stopping and starting.
See, we can hear you.
Try. Let me.
We can hear you, but we can see you very blurred. That's my only problem.
Okay.
So, or if you want to continue, I'm okay with continuing like this because you're sharing.
But it's okay now. People have seen me enough. Don't worry. They've seen me enough.
No, I just didn't want you to kind of feel otherwise. Okay.
I'm used to being a blur.
Listen, Anaita, however much you may try, you can never be a blur. Anaita, now you've completely gone. Hello. I think you changed the camera. Now it's come back to you. Yeah. Okay, let it be on like this. Let it be on like this. It's fine. Till the time we can hear you, we are fine. Okay.
ठीक है.
आप मेरे को सुन सकते हो ना?
Okay, great.
Okay. So Anaita,
absolutely, I can see you also clearly.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah.
So Anaita, now comes the next bit. आपने जहां से शुरू किया, आपने बोला that बिल्कुल ग्राउंड लेवल से शुरू करके इतनी मेहनत करके आप यहां तक धीरे धीरे करते करते यहां पहुंचे. आज की डेट में बहुत सारे यंग लोग ऐसे हैं जिनको लगता है फैशन वर्ल्ड मतलब नाम, शोहरत, पैसा. मतलब कितने सारे लोग ऐसे जो कि फैशन डिजाइनर और स्टाइलिस्ट बनना चाहते हैं सिर्फ इसलिए कि अरे यू नो व्हाट, मैगजीन में, न्यूज़पेपर में फोटो आएगा, अच्छे अच्छे बॉलीवुड स्टार्स सब फोटो खींचेगी. आप प्लीज इस पे कुछ थोड़ी रोशनी डालिए.
My God, it is so far from the truth. You know, that's the reality.
I know. I want them to hear it from you. I know.
The thing is, I feel like, people have lost their drive to actually be good at something.
Exactly.
There are no shortcuts in this world, and I feel like, you may get one lucky break, but that doesn't mean you're going to know what you're doing. Exactly. It's so important to put your head down and work hard, right? Like, put in the time, get the experience, bhagam dauri karo, I mean, aaj tak I do it.
Yeah.
I'm not shy of going sourcing myself or, picking up something from somewhere. I mean, recently on Instagram, somebody put up a cover that I had done with Lakshmi and Prabhudo and said, this is my all-time favorite. And I realized, I said, oh my God, the bangles that I've bought from Colaba Market.
Batao.
Exactly. So it's not about like being fancy and being at the right cocktail party. In fact, for me, that's the least favorite part of my job.
Oh.
I'm most excited when I'm on a set with like-minded people, where there's great ideas being exchanged and a beautiful image is being created or a beautiful film is being created. I feel people today think styling is a joke for a lot of them, and it's very, very sad. It's a very serious business, and I think it's not a glamorous business. It's more of a like production job with creativity, right? So it's a balance, and to find that balance is very, very important. And I think the same happens with a lot of young designers. They feel, like in one day I'm going to be a star. Why? Why would you want to be that? Don't you want to gain the experience? And I think also it's important to feel like you earned your spot.
Exactly.
Like for me, honestly, Neeraj, I worked for years totally behind the scenes. Okay.
Exactly.
I mean, I still do that for a majority of who I am. I've never thrown my weight around. And I just feel I'm a stylist. If I was a star, yes, I should be seen. I'm not a star. So why am I pretending to be one? Why am I more dressed up than the stars I go out with? So, I've never been that person. And I think it's very, very important to put in that hard work with people whose style you like and appreciate, and learn, be a sponge, just like take in as much as you can,
सुन रहे हो?
There's no shortcut.
ध्यान से सुनो ये जो इतने लोग मुझे लिखते हो ना, सर मैं ये बनना चाहती हूँ, मैं वैसा बनना चाहती हूँ. सुनो, अनायटा जिनकी हम इतनी इज्जत करते हैं, जिनको हम इतना वी लुक एट हर एज एन इंस्पिरेशन, वो क्या बोल रही हैं? वो आपको ये साफ साफ बता रही हैं दैट देयर इज नो शॉर्टकट, इट्स ओनली हार्ड वर्क. अनायटा जो कि 3 चीजें इतनी बखूबी मैनेज करती हैं, उनका रोल एट वोग, फिर उनके जो कमर्शियल शूट्स हैं, फिर उनका स्टाइल सेल जो कंपनी वो रन करती हैं, जिसके अंदर शी कंसल्ट्स पीपल ऑन स्टाइलिंग एंड एवरीथिंग. यू कैन नॉट डू इट ऑल. अगर आप एक अच्छे स्टाइलिस्ट बनना चाहते हो, अनायटा प्लीज करेक्ट मी इफ आई एम रॉन्ग, जाकर किसी ऐसे स्टाइलिस्ट की जिसकी आप इज्जत करते हो, जिनके काम से आप अलाइंड फील करते हो, उनके साथ 1.5, 2, 3 साल काम करो. सीखो काम किसे कहते हैं. ये जो फेम है ना,
ऑफ कोर्स
रॉन्ग रीजन है. किसी भी काम को शुरू करने के लिए, ये बात हमारी डब्बू से भी हुई थी. सो व्हेन डब्बू केम ऑन, डब्बू आल्सो सेड एग्जैक्टली द सेम थिंग. अगर आप फेमस होने के लिए कोई काम करते हो ना, तो बहुत ही गलत मोटिवेशन से कर रहे हो। पूरी तल्लीनता के साथ, पूरे वर्क हार्ड के साथ, मतलब पुट इन एवरीथिंग यू हैव इनटू योर वर्क एंड दैट विल टेक यू प्लेसेस। डू नॉट वरी अबाउट द रिजल्ट, ओनली कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन योर कर्म। कर्म किए जा, फल की चिंता मत कर, बार बार बोल चुके हैं हम ये। कमिंग टू नाउ अनाइटा, द नेक्स्ट बिट ऑफ इट। आप इतना,
and also
प्लीज
I want
प्लीज
to say one more thing, because
हाँ
you know,
जी।
I mean, it sounds like we're telling people not to dream. That's not what I'm saying.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
I want to be very clear.
Yeah, yeah,
If you have
yeah.
a dream, dream big. You know,
Big.
dream big.
Yeah.
But just put in the effort.
Yeah.
Because easy fame will go as fast as it came.
Exactly.
So you know, it's really important that
Yeah.
you put in the effort. Sorry, go ahead.
And दूसरी चीज, again, I'm very filmy that way. So one more dialogue of
Yeah.
Karan's film only. सपने देखो, I mean, it's Adi's film. सपने देखो पर उनके पूरे होने की शर्त मत रखो। सपने देखो, पूरा हार्डवर्क डालो, बिकॉज कल को अगर कहीं भी छोटा रह गया तो जिंदगी में ऐसा ना हो जाए कि आपको लगे कि जिंदगी का कोई मायना ही नहीं रहा। जो सपने होते हैं ना, वो एक डायरेक्शन के लिए होते हैं, लेकिन उनको पूरा करने के लिए हार्डवर्क इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग यू नीड टू पुट इन। एंड हार्डवर्क इक्वल्स, आई मीन, यू नीड टू बी अ स्मार्ट वर्कर एज वेल। ये हमारी पहले बात हो चुकी है। कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट वन, अनाइटा, नाउ कम्स, आप इतने सारे लोगों के साथ काम करती हैं, जैसे आपने बताया आपके लिए टीम बहुत जरूरी है। तो रिलेशनशिप मैनेजमेंट, एंड यू नो, आई विल डिवाइड योर रिलेशनशिप मैनेजमेंट इनटू टू कैटेगरीज, इंटरनल एंड एक्सटर्नल। एक्सटर्नल, आप इतने बड़े बड़े बॉलीवुड स्टार्स के साथ काम करती हैं, इतने बड़े बड़े कॉर्पोरेट्स के साथ काम करती हैं, जहां पे मतलब, आई शुड नॉट से दिस, बट देर आर फ्रैजाइल ईगोज दैट आर देयर एट प्ले, एंड हाउ डू यू मैनेज दैट?
You know, for me, I come from a family where everyone's allowed to say their piece.
Okay.
Okay. There's no question of you're young, you can't speak, you're old, you can't speak. No, everybody speaks. So being brought up that way, I'm always used to having my opinion heard. So even when I started working, I never shied away from that.
Yeah.
And yes, I think in the long run, honesty pays.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because if you're honest with someone, they'll hopefully appreciate you for that.
Yeah.
Because if you're going to just falsely praise someone every time you work with them,
Yeah.
there's no point. What kind of relationship is that?
Exactly.
So for me, I always took the honest route. I'm not saying I was rude. Honesty doesn't equal rudeness.
Yeah.
But I was very clear, and I was like, no, I don't think this works. And then if someone was still very insistent that they felt they knew more than me, then I would politely stop working with them.
Okay.
You know? So I feel I've also been very lucky, Neeraj, I must say. I mean, I don't know what it is, but the people that I've worked with, the biggest stars that I've worked with, have been the most compliant.
Wow.
So
Wow.
I've never really had that problem. And I feel
No, but that's
maybe I'm just lucky.
No, but no, आपने एक चीज जो बहुत अच्छे से बताई, बहुत सिंपल वर्ड्स में बताई, it is not what you say, it is how you say that matters. A lot of people, बहुत सारे लोग जो है ना, अपना पॉइंट रखने के लिए ये भूल जाते हैं कि सामने वाला is also an इंसान। सामने वाला भी अगर कुछ बोल रहा है या कुछ, तो वो भी इसलिए बोल रहे हैं क्योंकि सबको अपना अच्छा चाहिए। तो अगर आप अपना पॉइंट म्यूचुअल रिस्पेक्ट के साथ प्रेजेंट करते हो ना, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम श्योर, like that one example that was there, which I read in an interview, when you were doing Dhoom 2, when you went to meet Hrithik, you told him very clearly that, you know what, आप अपनी ट्राउजर बहुत ऊंची पहनते हो और बहुत टाइट पहनते हो, but it worked wonders, because then in Dhoom 2 you can see he's wearing them low, he's wearing them loose, and it is looking fantastic on him.
I also told him he had to wear looser clothes, because at that time he used to wear clothes that looked like he was going scuba diving. So I used to be like, what is this? And from here to here to here, and I was like, buddy, we've got to, like, you know, chill it out. And in fact, in Dhoom 1, I think I had the same battle with Abhishek. Because I'd be like, you know, wear your pants low. He's like, it doesn't go any lower. And we used to shout at each other. And I was like, pull it down. And he'd be like, Naija, it doesn't go any lower. So, you know, I mean, I think, but I was also learning. They were also learning. And the thing is, I've never, you know, because I follow my instinct, I can only, I'm the kind of, the only, well, Namrata Zakaria, she can't see me.
And she can't see your hair, she can't see you.
She hates my hair right now. She thinks I should blow dry it, and I don't care. I'm just, Free.
Anaita,
Free hai.
Anaita is in
Yeah.
lockdown right now. She's not going any red carpet. It's
Fully.
okay.
No red carpet, no work. Just chill, enjoy. Huh.
See,
Yeah.
the moment Namrata
So
said
sorry,
your connection,
sorry. So-
no, the moment Namrata said your connection became better, we could see
Did
you in
it?
between. Yeah.
Arey,
Now it's gone
my
bad
lovely
again.
Gaurav Gupta has also come
Yes.
to chat
Hi,
with us.
Gaurav.
Also,
How are
I don't
you?
know what to do. I could go into my bed and maybe it'll be better there. That's the
Yeah.
only thing I can think of.
Yeah, please,
But there's
please.
no light. I'll try, but there's no light there. I'll have to open some door or window.
Okay.
Wait, let's try.
Yeah.
Okay. See, she's saying the queen of fashion is liberated. Wait. Let's try.
You know, these are the
Is it any
best.
better here?
Uh,
Is it better here?
see, we can see you, but it's very
Lights
blurred. That's the
Huh.
only issue.
So, then
I'm
should
okay.
we reconnect? No?
But ऐसा ना हो कि फिर
Okay.
कनेक्ट ही ना हो. मुझे वो भी डर है साथ
हाँ,
में.
वो भी ठीक है. ठीक है.
Okay. So
Gaurav,
this
I
is
love
fine.
you too.
Yes.
हाँ.
Okay.
Now I'm in bed.
Yeah. Now Namrata is saying death for all of us.
Okay.
Okay. Oh no, now it's better. It's actually a little better. Okay. So now, Anaita, now this
Okay.
was your external clients.
Yeah.
जैसा आपने बोला कि
हाँ.
जैसे, you know, it's not
Correct.
what you say, it's how you say. And obviously over a period of time you have developed those
Right.
relationships. सब लोग ध्यान से सुनो, हाँ, ये
Correct.
बातें बहुत जरूरी हैं. आप अनायटा टीम में बहुत विश्वास रखते हैं.
हाँ.
You say that you are a team
हाँ
player.
जी.
Now, how do you maintain that relationship? Because you
Yeah.
run Style Cell as well and you do so many other projects outside of Style Cell. What is team management
so,
to you?
So Akshay is with us today.
Akshay
Akshay is
Tyagi,
online.
yes.
I saw him earlier, unless he's sneaked out, the little one. But oh shit, man. Okay, I'm trying my best.
Yeah, I know, and I'm so sorry,
technologically challenged.
No,
okay,
no, this is fine.
Chalo.
Yeah, Hanji.
Okay. So, so I think for me, when I work in a team, even though I know I am the senior most person right over there, I value my team's opinion very much.
Yeah.
It's very, very.
And
I said to you,
I
I observe them, I observe what they like, and I feel.
Anita, you will
I don't know what
hate
to
me
do
if I
now,
tell
guys.
you.
Sorry.
You will hate me if I tell you. I think at least the connection
Huh.
was better where you were earlier. Please don't hate
Better?
me.
Okay, I'm going back. I'm
Please
going
don't,
back.
please don't hate me.
I don't think it actually has anything to do with where I am, but I think this is it. Wait. I'm trying. I'm
Yeah,
trying.
no, because
I'm
a lot of
trying.
people are, because
Okay.
they all want to hear you, so they all are saying now the voice is also
I
cracking.
know, I'm
can't
sorry,
hear.
guys.
No,
I'm
no,
trying
no,
my
no,
best.
No.
Okay.
Ah.
Okay, let's try this for a while.
Okay.
Okay, let's try that.
We will not go on the video,
So-
we'll only
so-
majorly go on the audio now.
Okay,
Hanji.
so where was I? So for me, a team is very important,
Important, yeah.
and I think also mutual respect in a team is important.
Important.
Even though I am very friendly with everyone that I work with,
Yeah.
I think it's very important that at some point it's clear that they are also very clear that finally the decision will be mine.
Yes.
So yes, I will ask you what you think and whatever, and sometimes, I just want to hear the options in my head.
yeah.
But I have to say that I would be nobody without my teams. Nobody.
See.
It's the most important, and they're the most precious relationship for me because
Wow.
honestly, it's family.
Wow. Yeah.
It's not just work for me. We see more of each other than we see sometimes of our real families.
Yeah.
So for me, it's too important. And, I just feel like I'm blessed
Yeah.
that I've worked with so many amazing people in
yeah.
my life. And I think when I look at people who are doing so well, most of them have worked with me at some point or the other.
yeah.
And I feel like they're my bachchas who are doing so well, and they're always welcome to come back home.
The proud mother. So सुना, बिना टीम
Absolutely.
के आप जब अपने
Yeah.
से ज्यादा बड़ा कोई काम करना चाहते हो ना, उसके लिए आपको लोगों के साथ काम करना पड़ता है, वो चाहे आपकी टीम के हों चाहे बाहर के हों. It is very important that you give that respect to every relationship that you make, whether it is personal, whether it is professional. जैसा अनायटा ने भी बताया कि कई बार हम काम करते हैं तो हम उन लोगों के साथ ज्यादा समय बिताते हैं जिनके साथ हम काम कर रहे हैं, विज़िवी जो हमारे फैमिली मेंबर्स होते हैं.
Correct.
इमेजिन अगर आप उनके साथ एक सच्चा अच्छा रिश्ता, म्यूचुअल रिस्पेक्ट का रिश्ता नहीं बना पाते हो तो आप जिंदगी में क्या ग्रो करोगे? ये क्या ग्रोथ किस काम की होगी अगर आप दूसरों को यू ऑलवेज लुक डाउन अपॉन देम. सो थैंक यू अनायटा, थैंक यू फॉर हाईलाइटिंग दैट. नो सीरियसली. So,
Yeah.
keeping this in mind, because I read आपने कितनी बार टीम के बारे में बोला है, आपके सारे इंटरव्यूज में बोला है So there is a principle that I live by. ये एक principle मैं कहीं पे I was giving a talk and this just came out of my mouth and since that it has become like and I call it SUD. S-U-D. SUD means S for Shiddat.
S-U-D. Okay.
S means S for Shiddat. U is U for uniqueness. And D means dhakke khana.
Firstly, tell me what is Shiddat?
Shiddat
no, what is Shiddat?
Shiddat is dedication, diligence.
Dedication. Okay. So Shiddat, U is?
Uniqueness.
Okay.
And D is dhakke khana.
Dhakke khana. Okay. That I know very well.
Because when I was doing the research, I said, you know what? Anaita defines all of this. And I have left on one thing, which your team player thing gave me. So my SUD has now become a stud. I have added the T and it has become a... Yes. So
I
now,
like being a stud.
Yes.
Yeah.
So now please tell me, how do you practice that S in your work? How do you do that Shiddat, that dedication, that diligence? Where do you bring it from?
You know, I don't know, to be honest with you, but I guess I know. Now that you asked me, I'm thinking about it. I love what I do.
Yes.
Okay. I'm one of the fortunate people who gets to wake up and do what I love. And I think I'm hi Bibu.
Yeah. Hi,
and
Bibu.
Also I guess I'm okay at it.
Yeah.
So I get work.
Yeah. You're not okay, you're great at it.
No. So I think it's my love for what I do and she's saying, tell us about coloring your hair. She's shameless, yeah. Hi, Kalyani. Shameless girl, this Namrata. She's so jealous of my natural hair.
I will keep recapping these things in between. Anaita, जैसे आपको बता रही हैं, नहीं, please, this fun is good. Anaita, जैसे आपको बता रही हैं कि S शिद्दत, वो शिद्दत आ रही है उनके अंदर बिकॉज वो काम करती हैं जिसे वो सच में बहुत प्यार करती हैं. बहुत बार अनफॉलो में ये निकल के आया है,
मोहब्बत करती है,
बहुत मोहब्बत करती हैं. और ये बहुत सारे लोगों ने बोला है, नहीं सुना है तो सारे जाके पहले के एपिसोड्स देखो, सबने बोला है. शिद्दत आई आपके उस प्यार से. यूनिकनेस, यू हैव ऑलवेज सेड, यू हैव इवन सेड आई एम नॉट अ कुकी कटर. यूनिकनेस.
माय यूनिकनेस, that I guess you'll have to tell me, Neeraj. I don't know what my uniqueness is.
No, how do you drive that uniqueness? Because today's time, everybody says we are getting inspired. And that inspiration somewhere is no more an inspiration.
Yeah, but I'll tell you something. I feel because now people are looking for inspiration in a very blinded way.
Yeah.
Their inspiration comes from people who are doing the same thing that they do.
Yeah.
My inspiration never came from that. My inspiration came from art. My inspiration came from a regular person on the road, especially for my characters that I started in films, it could be a friend, it could be someone I see. I'm constantly taking pictures of people and, I guess making mental notes. So I feel my inspiration is from everything. I mean, and I never stop getting inspired. And most of the time I don't know I'm inspired till I am inspired.
See?
So, it's just be open-minded.
दूसरी चीज, कितने आराम से अनाइटा ने ये बता दिया, यूनिकनेस को पॉलिश करने के लिए फोन में घुसे रहना बहुत जरूरी नहीं है. आसपास जो हो रहा है ना, उसे ऑब्जर्व करो, उससे जिंदगी आगे बढ़ेगी. उसने क्या खाया, उसने क्या पहना, उसका क्या हुआ, उसका क्या नहीं हुआ, उसका किसके साथ हुआ, किसके साथ नहीं हुआ, उससे आपकी जिंदगी आगे नहीं बढ़ेगी. इफ यू वॉन्ट टू पॉलिश योर यूनिकनेस, फाइंड थिंग्स दैट मोटिवेट यू and look for those around. That will help you polish your uniqueness. Coming to now the T. T, which is your T, which you have said about a lot about team player. I'll go directly to D. Dhakke khana.
D is?
Dhakke khana.
Dhakke khana. I think, there is no point in your career where this stops. And if it does stop, it means you've stopped being creative.
Anaita, can I just say one thing here? These are exactly the same words. I wish I had a video where I got out SUD. These are the words that came out of my mouth saying dhakke khana.
See? Yeah.
The same statement. Yeah.
It's true. And I mean, like very often I get a lot of interns and I'm like, okay, so I need you to go to this market. Firstly, they don't know where it is.
Yeah.
And then they're like, yeah, but my driver will be back in an hour. I'm like, I'm so sorry, honey, but you'll be going right now. So, I feel it's very important to firstly, know your environment, know your city. And for me, like the first time I go to a new city, I just walk and walk. Hi, Fabio. Fabio will testify. He's based in London.
Akshay is there. He's
and
laughing
Tyagi
now.
as well.
Akshay is there now. He's laughing.
He disappeared and came back. Tyagi, I praised you so much, and you were not here. I'm really upset.
Was he the one who told you that my driver is not there?
No, because he wouldn't be in the team anymore. Hi, Asta. No. Those people go away very fast.
Very fast.
So, yeah. Though having said that, I must say I'm not a judgmental person.
Yeah.
So if someone, proves to me that they were wrong in the first place and they can change, I'm a fully forgive and forget person. Wow. So, and I will love you even more. Yeah. So, Sayani, love the chashma. I can't see, I'm blind at the back without it.
Okay.
Anyway, go ahead. Sorry.
No. So guys, saying once again, धक्के खाना, कितनी बार इस बारे में बात हो चुकी है कि ये जो एंटाइटल्ड फीलिंग है ना कि मेरे पास ये है, मेरे को नहीं करना है, ऐसा नहीं है, ओ आई कैन ओनली डू दिस, ओ आई कैन ओनली डू दैट. जितने भी लोग बड़े से बड़ा, वो चाहे क्रिकेटर हो, चाहे वो बॉलीवुड स्टार हो, चाहे वो अनायटा हो, चाहे वो कोई भी हो, जिसने जिंदगी में धक्के खाना, प्रैक्टिस करना, अपना डिलिजेंटली काम करना, उस पे रिसर्च करना, जाकर देखना कि किस तरह से नया तरीके से इवॉल्व हो सकते हैं, जिस दिन उन्होंने वो छोड़ दिया ना, उस दिन कहीं पे जिंदगी रुक जाती है. सो प्लीज रिमेंबर, ये धक्के खाना जो है ना, ये बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है आपकी जिंदगी में. कभी इसको अंडर एस्टिमेट नहीं करना. Anaita, would you like to say something more to it?
I want to say one thing, because I'm just seeing all the people. Like I just saw Anna, who's at the salon that I go to, and I'm seeing so many people that I feel very often we forget people that make us happy. Yeah. We get so obsessed with this rat race and doing better and running to more places that we tend to forget people. And for me, people are very, very important. Yeah. What's that blue drink? It's water. I wish it was gin, but it's water.
Room temperature
Too early
water.
for gin.
Room temperature water.
Yes!
My research, you see?
Your research is amazing. It's amazing. So yeah, I feel it's so important to just acknowledge people that do things for you. I mean, not that it's a big deal, but like, for example, my cook is vegetarian, believe it or not. And yesterday was my son's birthday. And I feel like every time I bake a cake, she can't eat it. So I made her own cake yesterday, which was eggless. I think we need to think about other people. I'm not saying I'm great. Please don't get me wrong. That's not my motive. Yeah. I just feel that it's so easy to take people for granted. And I think, after this lockdown, we've all had so much time to like heal ourselves, maybe to realize how we could be better people. Yeah. And I feel it's the time to continue acting on that. Don't forget this once you get into your car and you're racing about. Pay attention to people. I mean, like you and me, Neeraj, for example, we're not close friends, but we have a connect.
Yes.
We have a connect, and we have mutual respect, and I think that's very
important. And आपने जैसे बहुत rightly, first of all, thank you so much, Anaita. I mean, I don't have words that I will send you a message separately on that, because I know you accepting this request is something. It is a blessing for me and for many others. No, thank you. Now coming to आपने जैसे बोला ना कोरोना के अंदर.
My pleasure.
जैसे कोरोना के लिए आपने बोला ना, बहुत जरूरी है इंसानों को यह समझ जाना that something which is not even visible to the naked eye has brought the whole world to a standstill. ध्यान रखें कि आपके आसपास आप इंसान हो, इंसानियत को मत छोड़ो. Being a human being and respecting other human beings around you is something that will sail you through. अगर आप वो नहीं कर सकते हो ना, तो आप जिंदगी में कहीं नहीं पहुंच पाओगे. It is very, very, very important. Thank you. Now, Anaita, I also know, taking the same stream forward, I also know that you practice this social responsibility in terms of going ahead and saying that, Indian textiles, because you are from fashion and styling, I'm bringing it now more to your alignment, that, as one of the fashion torchbearers of our country, you have gone ahead and said that Indian textiles को और include करना चाहिए. बहुत सारे फैशन स्टूडेंट्स आपको सुन रहे हैं, आप क्या कहना चाहोगे इस बारे में उसके लिए?
The thing is, Neeraj, I've never looked at fashion as in this is an Indian textile and this is not an Indian textile. I look at fashion and I feel fashion has to speak to you. Yeah. It has to appeal to you. Yeah. But I find that the domestic fashion, or rather what our designers are doing, appeals to me a lot. Yeah. It talks to me a lot. And I feel somewhere, we get stuck between only buying international brands and not, realizing. But I think now more than ever is a time to make sure that our industry thrives. It's very, very important to consciously be aware of that. I want to put it out in the universe that be aware of what you're wearing. It's no longer fine to ignore things like sustainability. It's no longer fine to ignore that our craftsmen are suffering. It is very important that we try our best to merit that and give them, their due, not only just earning, but their due credit in terms of creativity and what they're doing. See, for me as a stylist, I always very naturally mixed international and Indian fashion. I mean, I was doing it for 13 years at Vogue, from issue number 1. It wasn't an effort. It's how I thought. And the same way of mixing, high end with high street.
Yes.
So it's not only about having a lot of money. I mean, you can buy a beautiful hand-woven scarf for 200 rupees. It's not about spending loads of money. I think you can buy it at, at all levels. And I feel it's very important that we give our local craft that nod, that respect, and that support. That's what I feel is important.
So guys, सुना आपने? आप लोग जो इतने लोग बोलते रहते हो कि अरे कोरोना आ गया है, इसके बाद हम कैसे करें, कैसे इवॉल्व करें, क्या नया हो, वन ऑफ द थिंग्स दैट यू कैन डू इज, आपके लिए भी अच्छा है और जो क्राफ्ट्समैन है उनके लिए भी अच्छा है, स्टार्ट सपोर्टिंग लोकल क्राफ्ट्समैन, उनके हैंडलूम्स,
एंड
लोकल डिजाइनर्स. स्टार्ट going ahead and appreciating and using their work more. इससे आप कंट्रीब्यूट भी कर पाओगे. और हमारे यहाँ पे हमारी तो हेरिटेज है इंडिया की, तो कितनी पुरानी, और यहाँ पे मतलब बाहर से लोग आकर यहाँ से सामान लेके जाते हैं, तो हम लोग क्यों नहीं उसे अप्रिशिएट करें. So please be a good human being and go ahead and start supporting who are locally available. It will help them as well. Now, Anaita, before it becomes very preachy, I have a very interesting game. Let's go ahead and see what you say. It's a one-word game. One word game. Okay, Anaita, what is, you have shared everything. Now let me see if there are things that we get what we had missed on. So for Anaita, work is
life.
Okay.
Love. Oh, I believe just one word?
Yeah. No, you can say as much as you want. Okay. Play is
life, love. Okay. Play is family.
Okay.
The beach.
Yeah.
The ocean. Friends.
Okay.
Sundowners.
with the room temperature glass water. Okay. Power means.
Room temperature water. Yeah.
Power means.
Power to me means earned. It should be earned.
Beautiful.
I feel power is a means.
Yeah.
A means to help others. A means to support others.
Be responsible.
Be responsible. Yeah.
Okay. Then Anaita detests.
Detest. I don't detest anything. I'll be honest with you. I don't detest anything. I guess I detest. I dislike. So I dislike lazy people. Yeah. Detest is too strong a word for me. I dislike lazy people. I really dislike unpunctual people, as you said in your intro, rightfully. Yeah. And
Akshay has written lateness.
I detest. What has he written? Neatness.
Lateness.
What's he written?
Lateness. To be late.
Exactly. He knows that.
He knows that.
Yeah.
Okay, Anaita, if you were not a stylist, you would be?
Well, I would probably be a hairdresser or an art director.
Okay. Is Anaita a person जो कि कोई सामने से आ रहा है उसको 10 सेकंड में गेज कर लेती हैं?
1 सेकंड में गेज कर लेती हूँ. 10 नहीं, 1. हाँ.
मैं आपसे ऑफलाइन
1 सेकंड में गेज लेती हूँ. लेकिन I like I said earlier, I give everybody a second chance.
Okay. I'm going to ask you offline. मेरी gauging क्या थी?
Tyaggi's right.
What?
Maybe.
Photographer.
Tyaggi is correct. Maybe I would be a photographer. Yeah, I love taking pictures, and I think I'm pretty okay at it.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Now that you have been a part of Unfollow, and you've heard what Unfollow is all about, if you were to give a tagline to what is Unfollow, tagline will be?
Unfollow to know what everybody is following.
Oh, interesting. शायद मैं इसको ढाप लूं. But thank you so much.
Avi, please use it. Please take it. It's all about spreading love. That's what I told you, right?
Avinash is saying Avinash is saying we'll be out of work. Avinash Gowarikar is saying
no chance.
You'll never be out of work.
Yeah.
Okay.
First, someone has to hire me first.
Oh, now that you put it out in the universe, now you wait and watch. Let Corona get over.
Done. I'm ready to shoot my first campaign.
Okay. Thank you so much for this, Anaita. Before you leave, we have taken extra time from you. Thank you so much. But before you leave, would you like to say two things to all these young people with regards to anything who are aspiring fashion designers and stylists? 2 lines before you go.
2 lines. My 2 lines are, guys, dream big. Okay? It's a big world. We're a small speck in it, a tiny, tiny speck. And if you become a speck that can make a difference, that's what matters, right? And also, do things for yourself, not necessarily for outside gratification. I always worked because I had a dream and I followed my own dream. There was no set path for me, and I think I did okay. So my advice to all of you beautiful people is just go out there and seek your dreams. And the second thing I want to say is I'm so grateful for all the amazing people like yourself, Neeraj, that I get to meet because of my work, that I get to share creative spaces with. Yeah, I mean, life is beautiful and we are so grateful and so blessed. So, you know, look at the bright side.
मैं एक चीज और ऐड करूंगा जो कि अनाइटा ने किसी और इंटरव्यू में कही है. अनाइटा has said, less numbers, more quality, win the game. ये जो आज की डेट में आप सोशल मीडिया नंबर्स की होड़ में लगे हुए हो ना, इससे जिंदगी में कहीं ये कोई मायने नहीं रखता है. जो अपने आप क्वालिटी से आता है, please concentrate again on your hard work, on your dedication, on qualitative things that you associate yourself with. अपने आप सब कुछ आ जाएगा. Thank you so much, Anaita. It means...
See, I must be a good team leader because so many of my team are on this chat and I swear I never...
I know, Lakshmi's come. But this, see, you are, no?
It's also because everyone's out of work, but still.
No, it's you. It's you. That's why you're there. And listen, please, you don't have to say it. I have seen it as well. I can vouch for it. That she's, you know, जब आप एक चीज जिंदगी में इतनी बार बोलते हो, वो आपका सच होता है. और आपने हर जगह, मैंने पता नहीं कितने, शायद इस बातचीत के लिए मैंने शायद आपके कम से कम 50 इंटरव्यूज देखे होंगे, पढ़े होंगे. Everywhere, teamwork made it. Everywhere. There was no one session where you haven't said teamwork. इसीलिए मैंने वो सारे words लिख के रखे थे. I said I cannot forget to mention all of
You've done very good research.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Anaita, for joining in. It was wonderful.
My pleasure.
Thank you.
Pleasure.
And have a great weekend.
Stay safe, everyone. Yes. Stay safe.
Stay safe. Stay home. Bye, Anaita. Thank you. तो ये थी अनाइटा श्रॉफ अडजानिया, जिन्होंने आकर इतने खुले दिल से, इतनी सच्चाई से, इतनी ऑनेस्टी से आकर हमें सब वो बताया जो कि व्हाट मेक्स अनाइटा. उन्होंने जाकर क्या क्या सीखा. आज भी हम लोग इतना इंस्पायर होते हैं उनको और उनके काम को देखकर, फिर भी वो बोलती हैं कि उन्हें कोई नहीं है कि ये छोटा है, ये बड़ा है, ये काम छोटा है, ये काम बड़ा है. She believes that every work is important. Everybody is important. So respect your work, respect what you know, and respect everybody around. If you want to grow, you only grow this way. So please go ahead. You know, whatever you have learned, try and imbibe that, and I will see you on the next Unfollow session and series. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay happy, stay safe. ये लॉकडाउन बहुत जल्दी खत्म हो जाएगा. Just stay positive as well. Okay? Please take good care of yourselves. Thank you so much for joining in. Good evening.